How to change your XM account's password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in your XM account. Whether you want to boost security or just update your login info, this beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the step. First of all, launch open your XM application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner from the home screen. Now you'll open up My Profile section from where you need to click on Settings. On the Settings page, click on Security. Inside Security tab, click on Change Profile Password. Now on the next page, you'll need to go first fill in your password that you are using currently for the XM account in the first field. On the next field, write down a new password you want to change to. Now, re-enter the new password in the last box to confirm. Finally, click on Change Password. You'll need to verify your email, so go open up your email inbox and click Open the email from XM. You'll receive a one-time verification code in it. Copy that and paste it in the XM application and click Verify Code. Soon after you do that, you'll be redirected to the sign-in page. Click on Login and enter your email and the newly updated password to log into your account. Finally, click Login. There you have it. You've successfully changed your XM account's password and also logged in with it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.